Hello everyone, this is Asghar Nazir. Today I will show you how to use IntelliJ. So let's first learn how to create a new project. To create a new project, you have to go to File and then you have to click on this option that says New and then Project. Now once you click on that option, you will see this window. In here you guys can select the version of Java that you want to use for your project. We will be using Java 1.8, and then you can select the type of project from here. So for this course we will be using this simple console based Java project. So make sure you click on that, and then you can click on next, and then you can create a project from template. So you have to check this box, and then in here I see multiple options, but most of you will see only this option that says command line app. So you have to select that option and then you have to click on next, and in here you guys can give any name to your project. The second option is the directory where your project will be stored, and then you have your base package. Okay, so for this tutorial I am keeping the base package to com.collection, but if you guys want you can also use any other base package. So once you are all done, you can click on this finish button, and then you will see this option. Now this option says that if you want to open this project inside the same window, so opening multiple projects in IntelliJ is not possible. So either you can open a new project in a separate window, or you can choose the same window. So for this tutorial I will click on this window and the new project will be opened in here. Now towards your left you see the options for your project explorer, from where you can explore your files, and if by mistake if you have lost this window, you guys can always go to this window by clicking on this button that says project. Now once you are inside this window, you will see your source folder and then your base package and then your file. Also, if you have lost this editor window, you can always go back to that editor window by clicking on the file from your project explorer. Okay, and then you guys can start writing your code from here. Now before we write any code, let me delete this file. So I will right click and then I will select delete. So this is how you create a new Java file inside IntelliJ. So you have to right click and then you have to click on new and then Java class, and you guys can give any name to your class, and then you will see this class. Now I have installed GitHub inside the IntelliJ, so that's why I see this option, but most probably you guys will not see this option as well. Okay, so let's close this one, and once you have the file, now you can start writing your code. So I will type main. Okay, so this is the shortcut to create the main method. You just type main and then you hit enter. Okay, and the main method will be created for you. Then you can type s out and can hit enter, and the print out statements will be printed for you. Now to execute your programs, you guys see this green button in here. You can click on this green button and then click on run main. Okay, and then the console window, it will automatically pop up in here and you guys will be able to see your output. So this is how we create a new file and then execute the program inside that file. Now if you want to create a new package, you can again right click on this base package, and then you can click on new and then package, and in here you will be able to create any package inside your base package. Okay, so this is where you will see your package. Now you can again right click, you can click main, and then you can keep on creating new files in here. Okay, and then you can execute your programs like this. So this is how you guys can create the files. Now the next thing that I want to show you is how to debug the applications inside your IntelliJ. Okay, so let's say for example I have a couple of variables. Now to debug your application, first you guys have to place a debug point, and you can left click on this gutter area towards right where you see these numbers, and you can place a debug point like this. Okay, you can place multiple debug points, and then if you click on this green button again, and if you click on debug, all the debugger related windows will appear automatically. Okay, you guys don't have to do anything. Let me close this. All right, perfect. Now in here you guys see the step over button, the same button that you see in the Eclipse, and then you have the step into button. Okay, so to go to the next line, we click on step over, and then we see the execution. Okay, so this is your variables window where you will see the values of your variables, and then in IntelliJ you can also see the values of the variables inside your editor. And then if you want to debug, if you want to see how the execution is happening inside a method, you can click on this step into button. Now let's discuss a little bit about the shortcuts. So if you want to format your code, you can click on Control Alt and then enter, and then it will format your code. Now if you want to learn more about the shortcuts, you can click on this help button, and then click on this key reference. Okay, then a window inside your browser will open, and here you can see all the shortcuts for the IntelliJ. Okay, all the shortcuts. So refactoring, editing, navigation, general. From here you guys can learn about all the shortcuts. Okay, and then in the last I want to show you how you guys can open the windows side by side. Okay, you just drag the windows, and then you can drop the windows where you want to place them. Okay. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.